Hey guys, welcome to my channel. I'm Ariana Lee and it's nice to meet y'all. I'm moving into my first ever apartment in Vienna and I wanted to document it. That's the reason I decided to make this vlog. I hope you guys will stick around till the end. I'm gonna give you guys a bit of my apartment tour. So it's the entryway and it's the kitchen. I have coffee and toaster, and in the drawer I also put some extra ingredients, and I have my oven kettle, and on the drawer I put my pan and stuff cooking essentials, and this is my rice cooker, and I have my mugs and stuff on the shelf, and here in the drawers I have plates and utensils, and on top of this shelf I have my spice drawer. And also I put my blender there because there was no space on the other shelf basically. And this is the fridge. It looks so like unclean right now because I just like cluttered it with some of the things I bought, so I'll clean it later on. And this is the living area, and it's living room area, and it's so cozy, y'all. And even though I just try to make it look better, it still needs something, but that's all I can do for right now. This is the outdoor like balcony type of area, and I really love it, and it's kind of minimalistic. Also, I put some plants up and on there, and I also put some of my like decorations on it. But this is the closet area. I do not have some clothes or anything like that. I'll like unpack so much later on. And this is my area where I have to like put some extra clothes or stuff after I unpack more of my clothes. And also I have some workout thing, vanity area, and it's quite minimalistic, I think. This is my bed, and I think it really looks so cozy. And this is my bedside table, and I have some other books like that I like to read. So this is the book that I'm currently reading, and I haven't completed it yet. And this is my journal. I keep my journal, and the other drawer is empty. And this is my study desk area. I have like a shelf that is used for organizing, and I love how I set up my study desk. It looks so cozy and at the same time functional to me, so I really love the space. Is one of my favorite. And this is a storage room where I have laundry room, like cleaning stuff, and this is a bathroom, and I really love it's kind of one of the places that are really organized, I think, because it looks so clean at the same time, not really much cluttered, but really looking pretty at the same time. So that's pretty much it for my apartment tour. I'm gonna show you guys how it looks during the day and at the night, and it truly looks so cozy, but it's still not completely like done yet, or like you could say decorated yet, because I still haven't unpacked some of my clothes and some random things, and I need to honestly like organize them also, but I'm kind of lazy to do it right now. But by the end of the video I will honestly do it, because I've been putting it off for way too long. Like it's been 2 to 3 days since I have like moved in, and yet I haven't done that, and it's my bad. I have to do it. So this is like how it looks honestly, but I'm very much happy with how it looks. But yeah, that's pretty much it for the apartment tour. This was the next day, and today I unpacked a lot of my stuff, and I did like only organize the closet a little bit, but I did change it a lot. But basically for the vanity and some other stuff, I just literally put it down. I'm gonna organize them tomorrow. And this is the entryway is looking like, and that was pretty much all I did honestly. And that is the only like footage that I took, and it looks so bad. I'm sorry for the poor quality, by the way. And this is the next day after that, and I went to cafe for some coffee and breakfast. And after that I decided to organize my vanity first of all. So I just literally like took out some stuff that I needed to put in my like this bag, and I put it into a closet, and some of the products that actually I do use every day into the dryer. And it was pretty much like easy for me, and not really a big task for me, but it did take a lot of time honestly. Like I had to like think about which products to go in there, and also I did my gratitude journal. Today I did some shopping, so this is a shopping haul of everything I got today. So I got some drinks and fruit and basically snacks, you could kind of like say. But yeah, I really want to try these things out, so I'm really excited. And second thing is that I bought 2 pieces of dress. The first one is this beautiful dress, and it's so flattering on me, and I really like the color and the design, and it's very much so cute and so princessy core. I don't know. Second thing is this kind of streetwear kind of like with some top and jeans, and I really love how this fits me so well also. I really love them. And after that, I had my lunch break. I had some spaghetti and it was so good, and I'm going to show you guys like the entryway now. So I printed this photo out, it's so cute, and I thrifted this lamp for Easter, and I have put a magazine and umbrella there, and that's pretty much it for the video. Thank you so much for watching till the end. Love you guys so much.